What is that from, the AC condenser or?
When it rains, it pours, I pray for them better days. Mama love was stressing, came home with bad grades. Found out the next week I'm moving to the A. Greyhound bus took me and pops a whole day. Can't believe a nigga made that move. Only 13 but feeling like I'm 22. Didn't meet my nigga friend until.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy 302 back with another video, man. And today, man, I'm trying to figure out this whole exhaust thing, man. Like, I'm tired of my car being quiet. I ain't gonna lie. My car is way too quiet, and I'm trying to figure out if I'm gonna run a dump setup. And my car is dirty. I don't know, it's been raining a lot out here in Atlanta. It's dirty, it's super dirty. But yeah, I got like basically just some, these not no like brand mufflers, just like some straight pipe mufflers. But man, I'm thinking about getting rid of my exhaust, man. I'm thinking about running it from just the see the bolts right there. I'm thinking about just cutting it right there and running like a dump setup or something. I gotta do something, man, because like I said, I don't want to be super loud, but I'm super quiet. Like it's weird, man. I gotta get a little bit louder, man. It's killing me. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play around with it. I think I'm gonna jack the car up. I'm gonna remove the axle backs, and then I'm gonna run it like that. You know what? Let's get a cold start with the with how it sounds right now. Let's get a quick cold start so I can show you what I'm talking about. This bad boy jacked up. Ugh. Throw some jack stands up under here. I be coming up with some of the craziest stuff ever, G. I swear. I was thinking about this earlier, like, cause the only reason why I'm doing it like this is because I don't want them, when you take the axle backs off, them over pipes just lay on the damn rear end. So when you're driving, you're gonna be hearing them, yeah. And that's just, I hate that. So I was trying to I could put these back inside the things and then bolt it back up and it'll still give it some tightness. That's crazy. Yeah. And just bolt it up and let it come down like that. We just left black lines like crazy back there. Oh shit! I just feel like the tire was off the car, nigga. That was 11. Oh, that was almost 12 pounds. Yeah, YouTube, this is it right here. I don't know what happened. I went out there, turned the boost up, did a pull, and here we go. Oil leaking from somewhere. We're about to find out.